Hi, I'm Brett.
And I'm Carol, your friendly HR gurus, back to explain the importance of HR benefits. Maybe you've never had access to a full array of benefits, or maybe you've only had limited benefits in the past.
Now that you're at a killer company with killer benefits, let's talk about why this array of benefits are so awesome and how you can make the very most of them.
But before we dive in, it's important to understand what insurance is. So let's nerd out for a minute on that subject. Insurance is loosely defined as a guarantee of protection or compensation against an eventual possibility of loss or damage.
Think of it this way. Insurance works like a shield. And since we're nerding out, let's take this thing all the way, shall we? Let's say the world is a dragon, and you are a knight defending your castle. And the dragon wants to come in and steal all your gold and wreck your castle. In the real world, this can happen either through sickness, accidents and disability, or even death.
But you, being the wise knight that you are, walked out to meet the dragon with not just your sword in hand, but also your shield and armor. In the real world, insurance acts like a financial shield from the dragon. It keeps things like sickness, accidents, and even death from coming in and destroying what you've worked really hard to build.
So, with that nerdy analogy in mind, the first major benefit we offer is medical insurance. And this is an important one. It's the big enchilada. Medical insurance allows you to see doctors, visit hospitals and clinics, and have procedures done without completely breaking your bank.
First, you pay a premium each month, like a membership fee, to use the insurance. Along with that premium, you also pay co-insurance, where you pay a small percentage of the medical bill, and your insurance picks up the rest of the tab. In addition, you may be required to pay things like deductibles or co-pays, depending on your plan, and although it feels like you are paying a lot of money up front, if you have a very costly medical expense, you'll quickly see the value of insurance.
Next is dental insurance. Teeth are kind of important if you like food. So, just like medical insurance, we provide dental insurance to keep your pearly whites where they belong, instead of tumbling from your mouth like decaying Pez from a rotten dispenser.
We also offer a vision plan to help you get discounted eye exams and discounted lenses or contacts once per year and new frames every 24 months. Chalk one up for Team 4 Eyes.
Next is a basic life and accident insurance policy equal to 1 times your annual salary up to $50,000 for free. You heard right, the company will provide up to $50,000 of life insurance to you for free.
Life insurance is extremely important because in the event that you pass away, this money is left to your loved ones to settle any outstanding debts you might have, cover funeral services, and leave them something for support if you're their sole provider.
You are also eligible to add a supplemental life insurance policy up to a maximum of $500,000 for yourself and an additional $500,000 for your spouse. However, evidence of insurability may be required. For qualified unmarried children, you can also enroll in a dependent life insurance policy up to $10,000.
Along with life insurance, you can also purchase long and short-term disability insurance through HR Access. Short-term disability will pay 60% of your weekly salary, up to $1,200 per week. Long-term disability pays you 60% of your monthly salary, up to $5,000 per month. This is important because if something happens to you that leaves you unable to work for an extended period of time, your paychecks could stop, but your bills certainly won't, including the premium you must pay for medical benefits. That's where long and short-term disability insurance could really save your bacon, literally.
Last but not least is our retirement savings benefit called the 401k program. A 401k is a savings account where money automatically deducted from your paycheck is deposited on a pre-tax basis to make saving for retirement easy. But here's the great part. Whatever percent of your paycheck you decide to save, the first 3% will be matched dollar for dollar. So the company is basically doubling your retirement money on that first 3%.
The company will also match 50% on the 4th and 5th percent. This is free money, people. Free. This is a no-brainer. You are throwing away free money if you don't sign up for the 401k and save at least 5% of your paycheck. Get that money.
There are more benefits and there's a lot more information, but these are the basics and the big ones you'll need to know about to get started. We encourage you to dig around HR Central and HR Access benefits and watch the rest of the videos. You'll gain a deeper understanding of all the amazing benefits this company offers and how you can get the most out of them.
And if you have any questions, you can always contact us through email at hrcentral@progression.com or call us at 855-255-3475. So don't be a stranger. Hit us up with your questions and keep exploring the site. Welcome to the company. We're glad you're here.